You're kinda killing me here, Birchbox. You're kinda killing me. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. Today we're going to be doing yet another unboxing, shockingly. Today I was going to be taking care of like real life responsibilities like cleaning and that kind of stuff, but I thought, nah. Instead, I'm going to unbox all the boxes that just showed up to my door, so I'm pretty excited to go ahead and get into this Birchbox right here. This is the Birchbox for the month of June. I'm pretty excited to go ahead and get in here. Oh, that one was smooth. Typically it takes a small army to get into these boxes, but that one came off pretty well. So really quickly, for those of you who do not know, Birchbox is a $10 a month subscription, and in here you get like 5 to 6 beauty samples. Oh, cute. Okay, also every single month it comes with a different box, and it tends to match some kind of theme. This month is actually pretty cute. There's like all sorts of beach goers on the beach with their little umbrellas and towels out, and then the box itself actually looks like water. And then there's just 2 little people floating in some donuts. Oh dear, that manicure is looking fresh. So I'm guessing this month the theme is going to be like super summery and beachy. Now I will have to say I just did a Target beauty unboxing for the very first time, and I was actually really happy with it, and I said that I thought it was even better than most Birchboxes that I get, and I think it's also less money. You guys can go ahead and check out that video if I've already posted that one, have I? Yeah, you guys can go ahead and check out that video if you want to see how it compares to Birchbox. So even though those two have like literally nothing to do with each other, I'm still excited to see how Birchbox is going to like stack up to that one. I was gonna throw the box lid, but then I realized I would probably break like 15 things along the way, so I'm not gonna do that. Alrighty, the theme for this month is warm weather pleasures. Warm weather pleasures. And on the back here it has all of the items inside the box plus the full-size prices, but I don't want to ruin anything, so I'm not gonna look at that. And here we have our little box of goodies. I'm seeing a good amount of skincare and hair care, which to me is very, very typical of Birchbox. So let's go ahead and pull out the first and largest thing in the entire box. This is from Chlorane, which if I'm not mistaken, I think is actually a pretty pricey hair care brand. Oh, it's dry shampoo. I actually got pretty excited about that. I do love a good dry shampoo. So this is a dry shampoo with oat milk. Go ahead and give her a little spritz here. I was really surprised and like blown away by how many of you guys said that you liked my hair kind of like curly and frizzy like it is naturally. You all were super duper sweet about that, and it still is curly and frizzy today because I have not washed it yet. So the goat milk stuff is actually going to come in handy. Alrighty, so it goes on just a little bit white, but nothing too crazy. Smells pretty good too. I would standardly like lift up my hair and spray it directly into the roots, but I didn't want to make this any more frizzy than it already is. This is not a horrible size sample of dry shampoo. I mean, I might go through this in like a week if I'm not feeling like washing my hair every single day, but at least it's like a decent size. Okie dokie, so next up in here, I think I'm gonna go for this little guy in a box. Alright, so we have another Philosophy product, and I feel like Birchbox and Macy's Beauty Box send Philosophy quite often. This is the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. This is supposed to be an ultra lightweight moisturizer, and I'm sure it's gonna be a real little guy. Yes, it is. It's pretty tiny. So it's just a standard little squeezy tube of moisturizer. Nothing too crazy here. Philosophy, however, I think is a pretty expensive brand, so that's something. The next thing I'm gonna grab out is this tiny little pink tube. It's really cute and really miniature, and not only is it like Barbie size, I think it's literally filled up to here. I can see through it with the lights. It's literally like this much. So this is a very tiny sample of Dr. Lip Miracle Balm. Alright, it says this is for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. But I do have incredibly dry lips, so maybe this could help out. Oh, ignore the swatch from the other unboxing over here, sorry about that. But this is a pretty standard like ointmenty looking balm. It has a bit of a yellow tinge to it. Oh boy, that is thick. That is very thick, a little bit sticky. There's no discernible smell to it. There's no tint or anything, so it is just kind of like an ointment. I personally, if I'm going to use an ointment like this for my lips, I go to the store, like Walmart or something, and I get A&D ointment, and it fixes my lips right up whenever they're like cracking open. So I'm not sure how much this stuff will run ya, but I personally use A&D ointment and it works just fine. Alrighty, there are 2 more things left in this box here, and we have yet another tiny squeezy tube, which also feels like it's barely full of anything. You're kind of killing me here, Birchbox. You're kind of killing me. But this is a on-the-go mattifying primer with SPF 50 in it, and this is from Veil Beauty. So this has a bit of tint to it. I got mine in the shade Neutral, and it's just kind of like a lightly tinted primer with SPF in it. Oh, okay. It does seem like a little bit goes a long way. It is very, very smooth, but honestly, there is this much in here that just the smallest samples in the entire world. Like, that much. That's it. But anyway, the very last thing in here is something that I'm actually a little bit excited about because it is a makeup thing. It looks like a pretty standard makeup thing to receive in Birchbox, but this is a Marcel curling and lengthening mascara. So at least there is like one makeup-y type thing in here amongst all the tiny samples of creams. I don't know why my first instinct is to smell mascara. They basically all smell the same. But this is what the little wand looks like. It does have a nice curve to it. It's pretty big. It's one of those like spiky, plasticky wands. It doesn't have a spoolie applicator or anything like that. So I don't know, this could be good. Anywho, so that is everything that I received in my Birchbox this month, and I just don't know, you guys. I want Birchbox to get better. I want to like it more, but just these tiny, tiny little squeezy tube samples that are barely full are really starting to get to me. I have canceled Birchbox like multiple times, and they always suck me back in with their free offers, but it's starting to get to me again. Maybe I'm the only one who feels this way. Let me know what you guys think about Birchbox down below in the comments. I can't be the only one who is tired of these little samples, but maybe I am. Let me go ahead and read you guys some full-size prices of these items, and we'll see how much they cost if you wanted to buy the full thing. Alright, so first up, this tiny little guy here, the Dr. Lip Balm, is $16.50 full size. Like I said, go to the store, get yourself some A&Do ointment that you rub on babies' behinds, and you'll be good to go. Then the Chlorane Dry Shampoo with Oat Milk is $20 full size. That's a bit much, but I do know Chlorane is an expensive hair care line. Then the Veil Beauty SPF thingy here is $19.99 full size, which if the full size is like a full 1 ounce thing isn't too bad, because I know like a lot of other high-end primers are like 40 bucks full size, so $19.99 isn't too terrible. Then the Marcel Extensions Plus Curl Mascara full size is 15 bucks, and finally the Philosophy Made Simple Moisturizer, which I've already lost, is $25 full size. So I don't know anymore. What do you guys think? Should I do it again? Should I go ahead and re-cancel Birchbox again? I'm gonna let you guys help me out on this one. I feel like I kind of should, but I don't know. Just please help me out in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. And I guess that's all I have for you all today. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!